Road Skull's Straight Shooter Air Cleaner. Installation instructions for dirt bikes. In every Straight Shooter air cleaner box, you will receive one non-oiled air filter, one Straight Shooter air cleaner cage, a wiring harness, and a push button. To start, remove the airbox cover and remove the old air filter and cage. Next, remove your seat. Now take the wiring harness and fish it through the airbox up to the battery. Next, hook the wiring harness to your battery. Red wire to the positive terminal and black wire to the negative terminal. Fish the remaining slack from the harness back into the airbox. Now, take your push button and decide where you want to install it. The push button can be mounted on the airbox cover or just behind the cover on the airbox itself. Mark where you want to mount your button, and using a drill with a 3/4 inch bit, we will make a hole in the airbox. Make sure to cover your air boot with a paper towel for this process. Once done, remove the paper towel. Next, take your button and insert it into the hole and secure it to your airbox with a designated push button bolt. Now plug the blue plug into the back of the push button until you hear a click. Next is to connect the button to the wiring harness by taking the end of the push button and connecting it to the 4-pin connector on the wiring harness. Push them together until you hear a click. Now it's time to install the air cleaner on the dirt bike. As you can see, there is a cutout on the Straight Shooter air cage for the power wire to the fan. Make sure when installing the air cleaner into the dirt bike, this wire gets tucked into the cutout for proper mounting of surfaces. Insert the air cleaner into the air box and secure it to the dirt bike using the factory mounting brackets. Make sure to mount the air cleaner with the wire facing down. Next is to connect the fan wire to the wiring harness with a 2-pin connection. Push until you hear a click. Tuck the remaining wire into the airbox. Now is the test for power to the Straight Shooter air cleaner. Press the button once. It will light red, followed by the sound of the fan running. Once the fan has passed the power test, assemble the seat back on the bike, followed by the airbox cover. You are now ready to ride and enjoy your Straight Shooter air cleaner.